Shemai, my name's Alice, I'm a Creative Writing International student and I'm running for Llywydd Wellbeing and Liberation 26-27. During my 4 years in university, I have gained first-hand experience with handling matters of wellbeing and liberation. I have been a peer guide, an academic rep and a sports club committee member. Getting those roles allowed me to come in contact with many students from diverse backgrounds. As your Llywydd Wellbeing and Liberation, I will actively listen, advocate and go above and beyond to protect and improve students' experience of Aberystwyth. The three main things that I want to tackle as your Llywydd Wellbeing and Liberation are the living cost crisis, making wellbeing accessible and ensuring that they are known by all, and making students feel less lonely and isolated as they progress through their degrees. Please vote Alice for Llywydd Wellbeing and Liberation.
Shemai, my name is Tanaka and I'm going for Wellbeing Officer. So I believe in the importance of clearer signposting to wellbeing services for students, whether that's on campus or off campus. Student wellbeing is an area that impacts all areas of the student experience, academic, social, and everything else in between. So I think students need to know what's available to them, even though that doesn't seem as obvious at first glance.
Shemai pal, my name is Mason and I am running to be your 2026 Wellbeing Officer. I'm currently a Trans GNC Officer within the INDEB and I enjoyed it so much that I want to do some more. I am running on the policies of increasing support for trans students because obviously that is my natural bias. I'm also going to be working on increasing accessibility within the campus because I have heard there are quite a few problems with that. And I want to help almost reform the complaints and reporting process because I've heard many stories that students are unhappy with that or they're scared of it. So I want to make it a more accessible, more supportive version essentially. May the best candidate win.